Hello viewers, thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for joining us. For those of you who are just joining us for the first time, this is Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Here we'll discuss everything that is related to health and well-being, especially to those of us who are on weight loss journey and many more. So please do subscribe and join us and be part of this. And to those of you who are already subscribed, I just want to say thank you. You guys are amazing. I just want to say you guys are so important, and I can never do this without you guys. I say thank you for being there. Yeah, so today I'm going to be sharing this two recipe with you guys. What I used to have as my breakfast. So I believe in while I am on my weight loss journey, I should still have a rich and healthy meal for my breakfast. So I'm going to be sharing these tips with you guys today, so I hope you guys will like it, because I believe that breakfast is the important meal for the day. Because when you have a healthy breakfast, a rich breakfast, it will hold you for a longer hour. And if you're that person that like me that eats a lot, so when I'm full I don't eat much, so I make sure what I have for my breakfast is really rich in protein and just something that will last, energize me for the day, so that I don't just go out and feeling hungry and eating just like that. So that is very important for me. So I just want to share these tips with you guys. I hope you guys really like it, and then watch this video to the end, and please subscribe, please, and be part of us. Thank you.